Will the Dow Jones, Nasdaq, Germany 40 and FTSE 100 drop more today, or is it going to bounce back from here and we will see a drop again with the US question? That the answer to this question we are going to look with the help of candlestick charts and indicators. I am Ankit. Welcome to my channel. I will tell you in next few minutes the targets and trading behavior of these instruments, the entries and the take profits as well. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Don't forget to press the bell icon. Let's start the day with US 30 first. US 30 trading at 33,560 levels, tad below the previous close at 33,590 to 33,660, almost 150 points it is dropped since then. And if you look at the 4-hour charts, this is the basic step down candle, and since then it is trying to trade in this channel. The low at around 33,400, the high at around 33,800. Only buy recommendation if it goes above 33,800. Till the time it is below 33,800, one can remain sold, one can remain in sell mode. However, there is a support here at 33,550, 33,500 zone. Why I am saying so? 4-hour stochastic now is, it has been long since it is trading in oversold zone. Also, MACD is wide divergent, hence a bounce back is must. It must try to recover from here. RSI is also oversold, hence a bounce back is must. And US 30 can see a recovery from here. I will be watchful of next candle. And if you look at the 3-hour chart, see the 3-hour charts already trying to trade in green. However, if it drops below 33,500, one can go sold sell again, and it will try to hit 33,400 and 33,350 levels. And if you look at the 3-hour stochastic, extremely oversold. MACD is wide divergent. From here there should be a convergence, or it may try to trade with a similar size of candle and run parallel. RSI is oversold, hence I'll be cautious there. And if you look at the 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour charts as well, this is a red candle and look what it is trying to form. I'll be cautious, and probably whenever you see such formation, probably the next candle or this candle, see couple more candles, it may try to trade in this, and then a bigger candle may appear which will try to take it below 33,000 levels today itself, and then a rise can be expected. However, right now, see, any green candle on these time frames will only confirm a reversal, and the confirmation of reversal is only about 33,800. Mark my words, the confirmation of reversal is only about 33,800 today. Till the time it trades below 33,800, I will be expecting it to hit 33,300 400 zone, which I have told many times in my weekly analysis also. This is going to remain a stronger support. 2-hour stochastic is also oversold. MACD is still wide divergent on sell. RSI is consistently trading in a oversold zone. And if you look at the 2-hour charts, on the daily chart, see 33,800. This is the level beyond which this is also a pivot level. This is also a strong resistance. Beyond that, one can expect 33,900, 33,950, and then the reversal is going to be strong enough for it to take towards 34,200, 34,400 levels. However, in my understanding, once it breaks 33,500, it may continue to drop. One can expect it to drop till towards 33,300, 33,000, and in fact below levels also. If you look at the daily stochastic, is oversold. However, there is a gap here, there is a variance here which is trying to keep it still on sell. MACD, this is after the crossover, this is third red candle, and I will expect it to remain red, and hence a drop is certain. And that is why I say one can remain short till the time it is below 33,800. Also 33,500 is going to now the strong support. Below 33,500, one can expect it is going to hit 33,350, 33,400 zone, somewhere in between. And if it breaks this zone, we may see a further fall towards 33,200 and 33,000. In fact, it will try to take it below 33,000 levels today itself, so that it can bounce back tomorrow. So take your positions accordingly. Till the time it is below 33,800, one can remain short. However, if you are not short, one now can only take a short entry once it is below 33,500 levels. So take your positions accordingly. Also, it is strongly oversold, hence a bounce back is must. Now let's have a look at US 100 or Nasdaq. See, Nasdaq 100 beautifully trying to create a step here. See, if you see, this is the consolidation zone at 13,600, 700, in which it has consolidated. Since then, we have seen a fall. Now it is trying to trade with a stop loss or a resistance at around 13,350 level. So if you see it trading beyond 13,350, then only I will recommend you to go long. Else, what it is trying to do, it may try to achieve the bottom of this channel and try to trade in this zone, where the support is only going to kick in at around 13,200 levels and 13,150 levels. So these two levels I will be watchful of. In between these levels, one can expect that it may try to bounce back. And see, the 4-hour stochastic is still on sell, consistently trading in a sell side. MACD wide divergent and still on sell. And if you look at the RSI 2 is oversold, indicating strong bearishness in the US 100 index today. And if you look at the 3-hour chart, similarly on the 3-hour chart, it is trying to reverse with the support at 13240 levels. It is trying to reverse. However, lower highs on the previous candle indicates one can only go long if you see it trading beyond 13350 levels, or rather I will say 13360 levels. If you see it trading beyond this, one can expect that it is going to cross 13400 and then it may try to come back again in this zone at 13600 700 levels. However, 3-hour stochastic is still on sell, and if you look at the MACD, it is wide divergent on a sell side. RSI is oversold. See, everything is oversold. It needs a reversal. However, the reversal confirmation needs to be there. Right now, if you look at the 2-hour chart, it's trying to form a step down there, and probably one sharp candle will come, whether it is going to be with Europe or before Europe. We are going to watchful. It may try to take it towards 13,000 levels, and from there it can try to bounce back. So I'll be cautious. Right now it is oversold, and whenever anything goes oversold, it may continue or sustain the oversold levels for a little long before it tries to bounce back. So today I'll be cautious till the time it is below 13350 400 levels. 2-hour stochastic also oversold. MACD is also wide divergent. RSI is oversold too. And if you look at the daily charts, on the daily charts you will find that the candle is trying to take its shape. The bottom of the Bollinger Bands at 13100, it can try to come back till here before it look forward to a rise, and in fact it can try to drop further far below. See, it has opened flat and it has remained below these levels at 13350, indicating that probably there is little bearishness. If it trades only above 13350 400, yes, you can confirm that it is going to hit 13600 also soon. 13700 800 zone can be expected. If it trades above 13400, then and then only. So beyond 13400, that is a confirmation of reversal. Till the time today it remains below 13400, my target is 13200. 13150, 13100, every 50 points there is a support, and then below 13100 we may see it trading towards 13,000 and below levels. MACD is still on the sell. Stochastic is still on the sell, wide divergent. There is a variance which it need to cover, and hence I'll recommend you to remain short till the time it is below 13350 400 zone. MACD is wide divergent on a sell side. RSI still has got some room for it to drop further, hence one can expect 13100 13,000 levels today itself before it tries to look forward to a rise tomorrow onwards. That is my expectation. However, these are markets, take your positions accordingly. Now let's have a look at UK 100. See, this is the 4-hour charts for UK 100. You can clearly see it is trying to trade in this channel, and it is having a high at around 7500. With this at the resistance, it is trying to drop. The lows of this channel is at around 7420 7400. I'll be watchful of these two levels. In fact, as I shared earlier, 7380 is now going to remain the strongest support for UK 100. As it is trading below 7480, I'll be looking forward for it to hit 7420 7380 levels. On the 4-hour charts, extremely oversold. MACD is wide divergent and RSI is oversold here, hence a bounce back is must, but a reversal confirmation for the day is above 7500 only. If it trades above 7500, go long. Look at the 3-hour candle, it is formed here trying to create a double bottom. If it trades below 7430, one can go short. One can expect it to hit 7400 soon, and 7420 is the first support. 3-hour stochastic is oversold. MACD wide divergent, RSI oversold. And if you look at the 2-hour charts, similarly on the 2-hour charts, it is trying to create this fall pattern, and hence a drop can be expected, which may try to take it towards 7400 levels, and then a bounce back can be expected. Oversold on the 2-hour charts, MACD wide divergent and extremely oversold. RSI is again oversold, hence everything is oversold, but when it is oversold, it may sustain the oversold levels. Now look at the daily charts. The candle is trying to form here. The candle is trying to form, and it is going to remain bearish till the time it is below 7500. See, it is trading below 100 moving average. Now looking forward to this zone at 7420, which is going to remain a stronger support. Once it breaks below 7420, I'll be looking forward for it to hit 7400 and 7385 90 levels. And if you look at the daily stochastic, it has still got some room for it to drop, and it can continue to drop, and then a bounce back can be expected later. However, MACD is wide divergent on a sell, hence probably a flat candle can appear, and then from there a rise tomorrow onwards can be expected, and it may try to converge. RSI oversold here, and as I shared in my weekly analysis, one can remain short on FTSE100 till the time it is below 7500 today, and one can expect 7380 level, 7360 level soon. Below that we may see a sharper fall till towards 7300 level, so I'll be staying cautious till then. Yes, for the day reversal confirmation is only above 7500 levels. If you see trading above 7500, go long. The target is going to be 7540, 7560 zone, so take your positions accordingly. Now let's have a look at Germany 40. Germany again coming back to its strong support at 13900, which is going to remain a strong support. In fact, this is also the bottom of the channel, and the resistance at 14100. So in between 14100 and 13900 I'll be cautious. 4-hour charts is strongly oversold. MACD is white divergent. Next candle must try to converge and hence can be a green candle. RSI is again trying to near to oversold zone. However, still there is some room. If you look at the 3-hour charts, the candle is starting with a red formation, and yes, 3900 is going to provide a little support. It is also bottom of the Bollinger Bands. However, below 3900 we may see a good fall till towards 13800, 13600 zone, and then a sharper fall can bring it towards 13500 also. So yes, one can remain sold or one can remain short below 13900. The 3-hour stochastic oversold. MACD white divergent on the sell side. RSI is also near to oversold positions. And if you look at the 2-hour chart, see on the 2-hour charts, after this consolidation, this is a breakout candle, and hence one can expect it may continue with little breakout candles till towards 13800, 13600 levels for today itself. And MACD is oversold, stochastic is oversold, MACD is white divergent, and RSI is oversold here. Coming back to the daily charts, on the daily charts you can see this is a red formation, red candle 14100. This is a 50 period moving average, giving it a little resistance, and then above 14100, 14200 can be expected. However, it appears after this reversal candle only this is the second red candle, hence one can remain short on Germany and one can expect 13800, 13700. In fact, can try to go till towards 13600 levels. There is a lot much gap for variance to cover up. It is still on short or sell. One can expect it to remain short, one can expect it to drop, and one can expect a target of 13800, 13700 levels. MACD white divergent on a sell side, RSI near to comfort zone. However, it can look downwards. So yes, one can remain short on Germany. It needs to break below 13900. Below that, the target is 13800, 13720, 13600. It can try to go till towards 13500 also. There could be a stronger fall today such that it can rise, bounce back from tomorrow onwards. So take your positions accordingly. And this is all from my side. Reach out to me if you have any trading or training related queries. My next video will be up before the US cash session for gold, Dow Jones and Nasdaq. Also, you can be part of my VIP signals group. Also, you can be part of my mentorship batch. The next batch is starting on 9th of May. Reach out to me via Telegram or email for any of your trading or training related queries. My email ID and Telegram ID are mentioned in the video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day. Thank you.